So, yung kanak doon himuon is about siya sa rigorous definition of event. So, rigorous definition of event is hisgot yan about fundamental concept. Isa yan sa fundamental concept of mathematics. So, yaga-provide yan ng precisely and way to present the work of event, which is collecting possible outcomes. So sang rigorous definition of event, isa yan sang fundamental concept of mathematics that provide a precise and accurate outcomes. So, kaya discuss isa din about sang sample space. So, saan ka na ang sample space? So, ang pasabot sang sample space is a universal set that containing of all possible outcome of random experiment. So, bago kita ng mga posible na mga output is kinahanglan nato na amang experiment. So, pinaagi ng experiment, makita nato daunan ang kanaan kalabasan. So, on kanaan example. Example number 1 is flipping 2 coins. So, 2 coins. Flipping 2 coins. So, pag mag-flip ka ng coins, ang possible outcome na head, 2 heads, and 1 tail, and heads, then possible isab na duha isab dian ka tail, possible isab na 1 tail o 1 head. So, amoy ang kanaan. So, anday kanaan, makita na kanaan yun na na based ang kanong pag-experiment, ang kanaan makita na mga possible outcome. Amoy yung possible outcome possible outcome. Tapos, ang event maghisgot kita ng event, kayang experiment, part man yan sang event. So, yung event is pasabot yan ng subset of the sample space. So, mag-ibang gate dyan sila duha. Di gate pwede na ang sample space tapos y event or on event tapos y sample space. Mag-ibang gate dyan sila duha. Nakibali, kung y sample space, y sub event sa kinahanglan, mag-ibang gate yang duha. So, yung event, pasabot yan ng subset of the sample space representing a specific specific collection. So, kagaina nga ni is possible outcome lang yan nga ni kagaina. So, doon nga ni kay specific din kan kaon yung exact outcome ng experiment mo. Kaya ano man yung experiment ta, flipping token. So, maghimo din sa pitanganin ng ikaduha. So, sa pag-flip na to ng coins, ang kanang possible outcome. So, nga ni, kuhaon ta sa event is kuhaon tayo specific outcome naan. So, yung specific outcome naan, amo yang duha ka head and tail, tapos tail and head. So, amo yang kanaan specific na collection sang event. So, yakuha dali hapon nato yung ana by experimenting. So, kinahanglan gid na bago kita makakuha sini is mag-flip kita ng coins. So, amo yan ka na to gi-experimentuhan. So, isang rigorous definition of event. So, yakita nato yung event. Tapos, yung definition ng rigorous. The unan in kanaan pasabot is a meaning fundamental concept of mathematics that provide a precise and accurate outcome. So, amo lang.